So today I'll show you how easy it is to replace a laptop screen. As you can see, we have the new screen here. First of all, we have to power down the laptop before we do anything. Pop this part out. You don't need no screws or anything here, just pop it out. At this point you have to be really gentle because you could easily damage this part. We have 4 screws that we have to undo. The hinges have to be popped too. And gently wiggle this part out. See, out with the old screen and then in with the new screen. Again, you have to be very gentle when you're doing this part here because you could easily damage the parts. And it's that easy. So we're just going to check before we screw everything back together. Okay, it looks like the new screen works perfect and it's a touch screen, so that's good. And before I forget, these screens can be got from www.laptopscreens.com. They ship within a day or 2 days. So we'll screw this back together now that we know that the screen works perfect. Pop this part back. Again, you have to be very gentle here. We want to make sure we don't damage anything. And we'll just power our laptop just to make sure everything works perfect. Try to peel this off. Yeah, looks like our screen works perfect, and yeah, that's all. Thanks.